news from Juba. A dramatic turn today. Inside the special tribunal, trying Dr. Riek Machar and 7 others over the killing of Major General David Major. During a heated cross-examination, a key military investigator admitted that there is no audio or video evidence linking Dr. Machar to the general's death. Stay with us as we bring you the full story. We begin with developments from the special tribunal in Juba, where the defense team for Dr. Riek Machar, during Friday's session, now the 26th. Hearing of the case, the prosecution's first witness, Major Peter Malual Deng, faced intense questioning from the defense. Major Malual, a military investigator, told the court that he was not aware of any audio or video recordings in which Dr. Machar ordered White Army Commander Keng Makana to kill Major General David Machar Dak during an attempted evacuation by a UN aircraft in Nasir. The general and 27 of his bodyguards were killed on 7 March. Dr. Machar and 7 co-accused are on trial over their alleged involvement. Under cross-examination, defense lawyer Kur Lual Kur pressed the witness to explain the chain of command behind the attack. Major Malual insisted that soldiers do not act without orders, but he also acknowledged that the accused were not physically present in Nasir on the day of the incident. He said, "No soldier can open gunfire or attack a military garrison without orders from a commander." But he added that the commander-in-chief does not personally go to the battlefield. The defense then questioned why the investigation did not interview top generals, including former and current chiefs of defense forces. Major Malual said the committee's mandate was limited to gathering facts and identifying the attackers. He also revealed that he was unaware of a security committee visit from Upper Nile State during the evacuation, although the then Nasir County Commissioner himself, an accused person, was present. Tension rose as defense lawyers challenged the prosecution's methods when the defense asked for the names of soldiers who were with General Major at the time of death. The prosecution objected, and the court agreed, ruling that the names belonged to future witnesses. Video evidence presented by prosecutors was also disputed. One video showed late Commander Torjil accusing the government of bombing civilians, claims the witness denied. Another video suggested certain militia groups were used in troop rotations. Major Malual said those groups had been fully integrated into the National Army, the SSPDF. The defense further questioned the status of the 2018 peace agreement. Major Malual confirmed that the formation of a unified security force was part of the deal, but said many arrangements remain incomplete. What happens next? The court has adjourned and will reconvene on Monday, 4th December 2025, when the defense is expected to continue its cross-examination of Major Malual. Dr. Machar sends powerful message of hope to the nation ahead of December. Juba, South Sudan, December 1, 2025. James Gatdet Dak, the spokesperson in the office of the first vice president, has delivered a powerful and uplifting Viva! Welcome to the great month of December 2025. The countdown has begun to the great year 2026. He further emphasized that no matter how difficult the journey has been, whether rough or smooth, peace and victory will ultimately belong to the people of South Sudan. He reminded citizens that God, its historic march toward freedom and prosperity, remains in control as the nation continues. Dr. Machar concluded with a powerful message in Tok Naath, saying, "Chinin Tiak," which means the time is near. This message has sparked strong reactions nationwide, with many supporters expressing renewed optimism and hope for the months ahead. The court has adjourned the session to Friday, 5 December 2025. That brings us to the end of this breaking news update. Thank you for watching Naath Global News. Make sure to follow, like, and subscribe for more reliable updates from across South Sudan and the region. Stay tuned, more news is coming up next.